Hey, it's Phil here again, and welcome to the third edition of the Wells Design Guide series. This video is intended to get you up to speed on the design and implementation of precast wall panels on a project. We typically think of wall panels as elements that separate various spaces within a structure, but they also have other uses and unique characteristics. In today's video, we will cover the following topics: wall panel types, early selection of wall panels, and wall panel design and manufacturing. The two primary wall panel types you will see in precast construction are solid and insulated wall panels. Both of these sections utilize pre-stressing tendons, which reduce costs and increase efficiency in the design of wall panels. Solid walls can be provided in standard thicknesses ranging from 6 to 12 inches thick. As a load-bearing wall, these elements can support double T's, beams, flat slabs, and other materials that make up the floor and roof elements of a structure. They can also function as the primary lateral resisting system for the structure to transfer lateral loads. Using solid precast walls as fire separation walls is also a very popular use of the material. The second common wall panel type you will see are insulated wall panels known as sandwich panels, and the standard thickness of these panels ranges between 6 and 12 inches. They can perform the same functions as solid wall panels in addition to providing increased thermal benefits. They utilize insulation that is sandwiched between two interconnected concrete wipes and provide remarkable energy efficiency and cost efficiency to a structure. There are multiple insulation types and thicknesses you can choose from to achieve the required R value for the building. Early consideration of geometry and weight is crucial in the early stages to make sure manufacturing and transportation constraints can be met for the project. In the early stages of selecting wall panel sizes, it is best to reference the design aids in the PCI manual. That information will help you better understand the capacity ranges of various panel types. Another useful source is the Wells website, which expands on many of the specifications and features of precast wall panels under the Learn tab. It is common during this stage that the architect is focused on the look and function of the structure, but I also recommend that you consider thinking about routing for mechanical elements through the structure as well. This will help you identify where future openings may occur in the precast walls and help everyone make informed decisions that impact the strength of the structure overall. Precast pre-stressed wall panels typically have a release strength of 3,500 psi and a minimum final strength of 5,000 psi. Wall panels can be subject to very heavy loads in multiple directions. The primary flexural reinforcement consists of pre-stressing cables that run along the length of the member. These pre-stressing cables develop the main flexural forces created by wind and gravity loads. Supplemental transverse reinforcement is provided at lifting devices and in other strategic locations to transfer load in the opposite direction as needed. A variety of connections exist within the body of the panel to support and connect other precast elements and materials. Wall panels can transfer a wide variety of loads in multiple directions simultaneously, therefore proper analysis of the various load cases is important. There are a magnitude of form configurations that can be used to produce wall panels. Standard sections can be cast on forms that are anywhere from 50 to 300 feet in length. Lifting devices are cast into the wall panel so that they can be safely lifted until the panel is safely placed in the structure. Custom forms can be utilized to produce custom shapes and add dramatic features to the walls. Some of these features include form liners and custom patterns that add texture to the finish of the panel. Thin brick is another material that can be used in precast wall panels to simulate a brick finish. In the end, I could spend all day talking about all the different benefits and finishes we can provide with precast wall panels. Overall, precast wall panels are a foundational product in precast construction, and I encourage you to reach out to Wells or your local precast supplier for more information to find out if precast is the right solution for your project.